must mean time for school!
Yay!
Jordan, do you always wear your pants like that?
No, I never do.
That's not a cool new trend? That's just a oops, I got my sock or my pants tucked into my sock?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about the hairdo? Is that intentional?
Although Dad did.
Is this an intentional hairdo?
No.
Was this what you meant to do?
That's not even the way to go.
I know, gosh. Alright, let's go. Wait! We have another kid! We had 3 the whole time?
What?
What are you eating?
Mind blowing.
What are you eating, my friend?
It's Reese's Puffs.
Oh, what's a Reese's Pup? Is that cereal?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, why is your shoe off? I thought we were leaving.
I got some grass on my
Oh
foot.
dear!
It was poking me.
Hurry, we gotta go.
We just walked from home and we're at Mia's school right now and we're waiting.
Is it warm out today?
Pretty. Meh.
It's kind of warm out today. It's a little bit breezier than I thought it would be, but it is sunny. See, look, there it is. There's evidence. There's sun up there. Anyway, I thought it would be warmer out today. It's actually not as warm as I thought it would be, but the sun still feels good. Jackson, did you have a good walk? What are you looking at? What is that?
It's a broken flower.
You have a broken flower? I think that's eggshell from Easter egg.
Oh.
You guys seen it? I think that's a broken egg from Easter egg. Hey, did you have fun walking?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready to pick up Mia?
And he's ready to put him downstairs.
I know, I remember that. Hey, are you ready to pick up Mia?
Yeah.
You gonna give her a big hug and tell her you missed her?
Yeah.
I see her. Do you see your Mia?
Yeah.
Where is she? Right there. I see her. You ready for her?
Yeah.
Hey, Miss Princess.
What?
How was school today?
Good.
How's the walk?
Good.
You haven't even sat down one time. Are your legs dying?
Yes. And I'm out of breath.
You're out of breath? How do you get out of breath?
And I'm really
We're not
thirsty.
running. Thirsty? How could you be thirsty?
Because we went a mile away and back.
So, full disclosure, I had filled my water bottle and intended to bring it. And then I realized that we were early. So we went and sat down and waited another 20 minutes before we left home. And then I forgot it. I was gonna bring you a drink of water, baby. Sorry, Nano. It's all your fault though, because you didn't remind me. I'm blaming you entirely.
Blame it on the elephant.
It's entirely Jordan's fault. I'm not accepting that blame at all. Totally your fault.
Blame it on the elephant.
The elephant should have remembered. Elephants never forget.
Well, the elephant's over there.
Hey, you making a joke about my size?
No.
What are you doing? Where is your shoe off?
There was something in my shoe. I looked in my sock and I found this.
That looks painful. Was it stabbing you while you were walking?
Yes. Gosh, feel it.
It looks pretty pokey. Ouch, ouch. Ooh, that's really hard. That's like a pine needle. Well, put your shoe back on.
Is it a cactus?
I think your foot will recover eventually.
Is it a cactus needle?
I think it came from a pine tree.
So, mine gonna make Daddy's coffee. Yeah, and mine's too small. I'm gonna have to step on this.
Oh, okay.
I get up.
I got you.
A coffee nut falls out of, and this goes. And we have to get more, and they're gonna fit in there. And you have to close it like this. Close, and you have to open it.
Okay, show me.
I have to pick this up. Close. Not all of them. So we have to do this. Now turn this on. And this with the line up. So wait for it. Hear it?
How do you know when it's ready?
Yeah, it goes, and you have to make coffee go out. Dad likes honey.
Dad likes honey in his coffee?
Yeah.
Does Daddy do that part, or do you do that too?
Dad does it.
Dad does that part? Okay.
It's hard.
It's hard to get it out.
Yeah, it's hard because we're towards the end of it. The bottom. Here, I'll get it up.
Daddy buys honey by the gallon. And this is raw, unfiltered honey, and then he wastes it by putting it in his coffee.
Not the whole thing.
I don't think.
No.
Let's take this half.
Okay, how about if I give you this piece right here? There you go.
Oh, looks yummy.
It is yummy. It's honey.
So what do you think? Is it good? Okay, now back to the coffee. Now which one do you do?
Now you push on.
How do you know which one to push?
This one is the baby one. This one is the mommy one. This one is the daddy one. This one is the off one.
Nice.
Guess you have to smell it.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay. You think Dad'll like it? Okay.
And it makes it like mommy's.
It mixes it like mommy's?
This is mommy button.
So, how do you know when it's done?
You have to wait for the coffee down. The blend.
It goes, "Ugh," show me. What's it do when it's done?
You have to get a coffee and put it
But how do you know when it's done? Is it done now? Here, Dad, have your coffee.
It's not done.
How do you know it's done?
You have to wait for it. And it's still making coffee down. You have to let it drip.
Is it done now?
Nope. Nope.
How about now?
It's now.
Now? Dad, coffee!
Coffee.
How come Dad likes coffee?
Because he likes it.
Say, 'cause he's Colombian.
Colombian.
Okay. What are you going to do now?
Put down and mix it in this. No honey now.
What happened to the honey? Where is it?
It's in there.
Where?
All the way under here.
Whoa. Are you mixing it in for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so in coffee houses, you have to call the order. You have to say, coffee for Daddy.
Go for Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's see.
See if it's drinkable.
Ah, it smells so good. Cheers.
You taste your coffee with a spoon.
The best coffee.
Best coffee for me.
Now you can taste it. So, what do you think? Is it good? Are you guys fighting over a spot with Mom?
No.
We're sitting here watching TV, being a nice little family, and these two are fighting over who gets to sit by Mom.
I was here first.
Oh great, now they're all smushed.
A mommy sandwich. No, it's a
I get to be the bread.
It's a baby sandwich.
A baby and Mia sandwich.
Mine.
Look, it's peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter up. Peanut butter down.
Which one of you guys likes to make coffee?
Me.
There he is. That's the coffee maker. What happens when somebody else tries to make coffee?
No! It ends up horrible.
Does Jackson maybe like to be the only one that does coffee?
Mm-hmm.
He's not the only one that likes to make it. He just likes it when he's the only one that makes it, right? Would you two like it if he let you make coffee once in a while? Do you think maybe you could let them do it?
My one do it at Friday winks, Friday, weeks. Friday, weeks.
He gets to do it on all the Fridays and all the weeks, okay? You guys can do it the rest of the time. He just gets to do it on Fridays and on the weeks, okay?
No, I do a lot.
Yeah, we know. What about Mia? What day does Mia get?
Mia can do it on Friday. Mine can on the weeks. Mine can go at cheeseburger and I play. And there's
What about Jordan? What about Jordan?
And there's a loopy.
I know, but what about Jordan? When does Jordan get to make the coffee?
On Friday. Yeah!
On a Friday. Not any specific Friday. That's only one Friday per year. I want both of you to recognize that you can only do it one Friday a year, okay?
No, 2 Fridays a week.
Well, 2 Fridays. Yeah, one for you and one for you. Right? Yep.
Yep.
The rest of the time, who's gonna make Tappies?
Me.
Yes. Well, sometimes we sneak it and let you guys make it when Jackson's not looking, but don't tell Jackson, okay? Silly.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to make this channel strong, share it with your friends. And good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Okay. Poof! You're a coffee at 5.